Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be finishing up this baby album. I'm going to do the cover with you guys, and then we're going to do a flip through of everything I did inside, and then it's done. I've been down here for what feels like forever working on this album. All right, so first thing, I cut out this such a cute little onesie in the coordinating paper. Plus I have these little building blocks. Let's glue the building blocks together. I did get these on Etsy, and what I did was I kind of welded it together. I don't know why it didn't completely, but it didn't. Though I do need to know what, I think so I think it goes A, B, C is what I think it does. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do A on top. So it cut everything out. I did change how it was cut because it was really weird how it was cut. It cut everything separate, so I attached everything. So the A's it would cut out in the middle of the block instead of off the side, wasting more paper. So let's just get this going so we can be done. I feel like I've been down here literally forever. All right, let's get, where's my rag? Okay. So there we have the A, and then the A's will just sit like so. How cute is that already? So let's put the A in. My kid came down to take a shower, and I said, I'm making your friend her baby album. And he goes, ah. I'm like, ah, you're the one who said I was gonna make her a baby album. Kids today. So then I gotta go to the Dollar Tree and get a gift bag and stuff, and I made it, like, I know I'm a card maker. I know I'm a paper crafter, but I really don't feel like making a card. So I may just buy a card. All right, so there we have A, and then we're gonna go with the B here, and they all just nestle inside of each other. Aren't they cute? I will, and guys, if I forget and you wanna know where I got it on Etsy. If I forget to link it down below, because now this won't be, this is April, and this will not be uploaded until May. So it's going to be a very long time. I may forget, and especially if I know, like when I'm editing, if I know that I don't have any mistakes or anything I need to cut out in a video, I don't fully edit it, if you know what I mean. Like I don't watch the video to edit it. I know which ones that I've made mistakes in or have to cut stuff out because I got distracted. You know what I mean? I know those. This seems weird. All right, there's a B, and this one's a little bit on an angle. Okay. The only thing that I was like not happy with this was I didn't know, because it didn't say if I could change the, like, it came with a bunch of different letters that you could have changed. You know what I mean? And kept the font the same, and it did not. It's just literally ABC. Because I would have made it say baby if I could have. All right. And it took me a long time to decide what I was going to do on the cover. A long time. I'm actually kind of ashamed at how long it took me. All right. Like I said, I just used all the coordinating colors from the coordinating color pack that I got. That way everything matches. I do have a bunch of stuff left over though, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I guess I should just make a card, huh? Guess I should. All right, there we go. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. All right, and now I'm just going to, I want this to go off onto the black a little bit, and then I want that to go there. And then I pulled this out to put Bundle of Joy. I think it's adorable. I wish you guys could tell me, but I think it's adorable. So let's glue this on. I could have made it a shaker because it did come with an outline, but we ain't doing that today. Like I said, I want it on an angle. There we go. And then this, should I pop this? See, I don't like popping stuff up on the cover because if you're putting it in and out of a bookshelf, you know what I mean? You don't want it to get caught on anything, so I'm not gonna pop it up. All right. There we go. And then this that says Bundle of Joy. This was from the ephemera. Put it right in the middle. Where is my pin? Right here it is. Is that not freaking adorable, you guys? I would have loved to have gotten this when my kid was little. Look how freaking adorable that is. I absolutely adore it. The only thing I might do, and I don't think I will, I would have done like stitch lines on the shirt, but I don't think I will. So cute. All right, let's do a flip through. Now, if you've watched me decorate before, you know I am not the best. I say it all the time. I'm not the best. I don't know how people do it, and it looks like absolutely beautiful. I don't know how they do it. Every time I try to over decorate, I feel like it looks like crap. So I decorate simply. All right? Okay, so here we have just these, and then I put these little cut aparts. That one was just two of them that I folded in half. And then this big one, since it goes this way, I couldn't put it in one of the pockets. And then in here are all the 1 month, 2 month little cut aparts that she can add or not, depending. So that's all there. You know what? I want to put this in the front though. So like that. And I didn't even realize I did stripes and stripes there. Of course I did. But you know what? I can just turn it this way. Of course I did. All right, so we did this one. I did this one on camera. It was very simple with just a few stickers and a cut apart, a piece of ephemera, the sticker. All right, and then this is what you haven't seen. I just did a simple, you are my moon, sun, and all my stars right here. A little place where you could put a date or a little note here, and then a giraffe and a moon. And here's just photo spots. On these blank pages, I don't know, journaling, other pictures, I don't know, but I did find this matching washi tape in my stash, so I just decorated each side with a strip of washi tape just so it wasn't plain. I may go through because I do have some, but I do have some stickers left. I'll show you what I have left. Okay, so I have some scraps of paper, and I have these, and then this little bit of ephemera and these stickers, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I don't know if I'm gonna send them with or make a separate project with them. I don't know. I might just do like maybe a little tag album. I have no idea. It just says wonderful boy, and this is the one that flips up, and then it just says baby boy. This one just says precious memories, and I put that plaid there to cover where I attached the paper. And then this one just says heaven sent. Very simple. This one I did reinforce. That's how I found the washi. This one was cracking up at the top for some reason, so I reinforced it. Just says little rock star, and you can put a photo there and a photo here, and then a photo there. I did not stamp it. Darn it. Let's do that now before I forget. This is why I still had this set up. Just for this reason, you guys, because I knew I would miss stamping on. them. So we'll just do it. So I still have it set up, and we'll just quickly do it and put it. Let's. Okay. Where's my rag? All right. And then I don't have an X, so I've literally been using my gel pen and just putting an X. And if you're wondering, a 3x4, that is half a 4x6. That's 2 photos on a 4x6, okay? That's 2 photos on a 4x6 photo. Okay, put that back in there. So then we place photo here. Did I get, come on. Yes, I got stuff on there, but that's okay. Somewhere, you guys. There it is. I have the Tombow sand eraser. This is why I try to be so careful, but we all know it doesn't matter how careful you are. That's as good as I think it's gonna get. That really annoys me. I try so hard to be careful, but it doesn't really matter, does it? It doesn't matter how hard I try. It's a little bit better. There's still little marks on it, but there's nothing I can do. Okay. Of course that happened. So here, this one I kept blank. I don't feel like switching out for it to say place photo here. It can stay blank. I'm not. Then I just put a sun and a moon here that matches the washi. Then, like I said, I just did strips of washi at the top and the bottom. This one, 10 tiny toes, and everything is that you can put behind. So very sweet. You make me happy, and some hearts on the heart background. And then all good things are wild and free. And then these little weird little crosses. I don't know. This is all ready to go. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. That's just so cute. Then this one, place photo here. I also figured you could do a photo there. I forgot to stamp that one also, but I ain't worrying about it. What is this? There's something on that one too. Awesome. Good thing I saw that. Good thing I saw that. I don't know how that happened. Okay. I was so careful when I stamped everything also. So I don't know how that happened. I put everything separate till they dried. Like, I was so careful. Just goes to show. This one says my whole world wrapped up in one little boy, and I just put a rattle and 2 little pieces of clothing. And then there's that one that's from behind. It's all decorated. Once again, I just did the strips of washi. Here's this one, Love You to the Moon and Back. This was from that other paper collection, but I needed something big here. And then I just added these little stickers from the sticker sheet. And then I found this still left over that I hadn't used of the, I think these are what, 3x3 square? Or are they 4x4? 4x4. That I knew wouldn't fit in the album, but it fits here great. So, and then it just says Giggles and Grins. I Love You So, a little cluster of hearts, and this is powdered, so you can slip your photo under there. Stay Wild, Sweet Child, and this is from the other sticker pack right there. But it matches because the wood grain and the wood grain, so I just used it. This one says Hello Baby. I wanted to bring in some of the black from the other collection because the outside is black. This one here, I took one of the cut aparts, put it on a scrap piece of paper and cut it to look like a tag, and then I tucked it under the elephant ear and over the legs. I think it looked so cute. And then once again, a place photo here, the place photo here. And then more washi on these pages. And this is the last one. I just glued it on the side here, added some star stickers. And over here, Baby Love, the little bear. I'll eat you up, I love you so. A little bear up here. And then these two also have place photo. There's multiple. Once again, I think I'm going to turn it that way so it's not plaid on plaid. And there we go. That is it. Done. You let me know down below what you think. I think it turned out so super cute, but I'm going to be honest, I'm not using this collection again. And the only reason I used it this time was because the collection I wanted to use, they had no ephemera left on the Echo Park website. And I got it from Echo Park because they were having their warehouse sale and there was no ephemera for it left. So I did not want to use the one with no ephemera. I wanted ephemera so I could continue to decorate and use the ephemera to decorate. But I think it came out so cute. Let me know down below, guys. What do you think of this cover? I love it. I'm obsessed and I'm glad that I got these. And it was like $3 total for both of these. Maybe $4. I don't quite remember because I did buy other stuff, other SVGs with it. So I don't quite remember. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We do lots of fun things on this channel, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. You have a great rest of your day.